Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video we'll see how we can fix WhatsApp video call not working. For example, if you are trying to make a video call to one of your friend in WhatsApp and you cannot do continue doing WhatsApp video call, you can do four troubleshooting steps. I'll tell you in the video, so watch it till the end. The first and foremost thing you can do is open your Play Store app, and the first thing we need to do is search for WhatsApp and see whether there is any update available here. If there is any update, just update it once and check whether the problem is solved. And if the error is something like, see here, when I try to do a video call, if there is a pop-up appearing like this, to allow WhatsApp access your microphone. This means we didn't give WhatsApp the permission to access our microphone. In order to have a video call on WhatsApp, we need to give access permission for camera, microphone. So press and hold on WhatsApp, and this is on my Android mobile. So you need to click on this I symbol, info symbol, and then here you will see something like permissions. So tap on this permissions and check whether you have given camera permission or not. So if it is in the don't allow state, you need to click on this radio button. For example, if it is like this on your mobile, you need to check this radio button. And next, yeah, see, next is this one, microphone. See, if it is in don't allow, you need to click on allow only while using the app. And then now if you try to contact someone on the WhatsApp with the video call option, yeah, so if we give the permissions, your video call on WhatsApp gets worked. So you can try this troubleshooting steps. I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.